Hi there, new trip time. Having 1 week of vacation, we decided to use it for another trip. This time we choose to explore the San Luis Potosi area. This part of Mexico is known for its incredible jungles and amazing nature places. We started in Monterrey and traveled to Axla de Teresas, which is around 8 hours away by car from our starting place. Alright, we made a small tour around the city. From one side, Axla looks very similar to different Mexican towns, but at the same time, it looks unique because of the surrounding nature. Chicken. Later we visited Jardín Escultórico Edward James Place in Xilitla. A castle with interesting architectural solution placed in the middle of the jungles makes you enjoy a balanced combination of human-made construction with nature. In addition, castle has an interesting but tragic love story behind it.
There's a crack up on the ceiling, trickles and it starts to pour. I'm waiting on those summer nights in San Francisco. Spend my time in San Diego. Show me all the places you know. Don't care if it's a little town in Tokyo. We'll get around with what we know, as long as I can keep you around, yeah. I'll keep you around, as long as you belong. I'll keep you around, as long as you're down. But I fucked this up. No exit for us. I fucked this up. You just had enough fun. Baby, take your time. We could build a paradise, holding secrets in your eyes. Let me in just one more time. I'm waiting on those summer nights.
After the excursion, we decided to spend some time in Xilitla city, have lunch and small walk.
Places you know. Don't care if it's a little town in Tokyo. We'll get around with what we know, as long as I can keep you around, yeah. I'll keep you around, as long as you belong. I'll keep you around, as long as you're down. But I fuck
spent in Tapasoli Hotel. This place, inspired by John Ronald Reuel Tolkien, presents habit houses instead of usual hotel rooms. But in my point of view, main beauty of this place is the view of the mountains.
No exit for us, for us, for us. No exit for us.
Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could've been the dollar, too soon to say. Hey, says what? Sad, but I've been locked up. Hit me with the starstruck, do it again. Hey, what's up? Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could've been the dollar, too soon to say. Hey, says what? Sad, but I've been locked up. Hit me with the starstruck, do it again. What's the silence in your hair? I've been feeling just the same. It's been coming in waves, yeah. Overthinking in my brain, cause I take them with my friends, running opposite ways, yeah. Thinking about you, thinking about you, thinking about the lows.
The following day, we hurry up for the new adventure. We arrived to see Cascada de Tamuy. To do this, we went on a boat ride that included water bottles with other boats, calm views of mountain river, and a lot of fun.
No need for talking, you hit the target from when you walked in. It's crazy, 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 crazy how I feel, but something in my heart is saying that it's real, and I'm on the move when I'm with you. Oh, don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, yeah. We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, 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 gravity.
Tired but full of positive emotions, we spent the evening in Sotana de las Golondrinas. At sunset, 1,000 parrots, swifts, and other birds circled the abyss like a giant whirlwind, followed by a free fall of more than 300 meters. This incredible scene cannot be compared to anything
Never
else.
thought I'd be here. This feeling so real. No, I belong here. Truly belong. It's crazy, 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 crazy how I feel. But something in my heart is saying that it's real, and I'm on the move when I'm with you. Don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, yeah.
Fourth day of our trip started from Ciudad Valles and Cascada de Micos. A group of 7 waterfalls was a perfect place to try cliff jumping and chill in the cooling water during the 35 degrees weather.
Gravity, gravity, gravity.
We were lucky and arrived in the city exactly during the town fair with a live music. in Ciudad Valles, we decided to spend in local place El Nacimiento de Tamuín. So far this place is not known for tourists and 90% of the visitors were local. Clear, cooling water with an open cenote, best place to spend a hot and free day.
Tu mano fue más que suficiente. Ven, vámonos. Desvanecer nuestras ganas de volver.
Our trip had come to an end, but before getting home we decided to visit San Luis Potosi. Honestly speaking, city stole my heart. Tiny streets, colonial architecture, and city mood made San Luis Potosi city from books.
Que nadie recordará nuestros nombres. En esa dirección nos fuimos soñando despiertos.
Spontaneously we were able for free to visit Teatro de la Paz for a circus performance, The Land of Oz.
Escapar y desnudar tu imaginación. Throw me out like a broken fire. Oh, working up for mine. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know ya, yeah. Broken fire. Oh, working up for mine. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know ya, yeah.
The next day we visited Park Tangamanga. That was the last day of our vacation, so we decided to have a relaxing time followed by walks, talks and capturing moments.
Oh, working up for mine. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know your name. Throw me out like a broken fire. Oh, working up for mine. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know ya, yeah. Broken fire. Oh, working up for mine. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know ya, yeah. Just want all of the attention. Slamming everybody's mention. Scroll through the pages, looking for a blame like should've been me, yeah, should've been me, should've been me, yeah, should've been me, should've been me, yeah, should've been me, should've been me, should've been me.
And this is all for this time. I will be back soon with new memories from student life in Mexico.